Students, now look at some of the types of inventory, and the basic or the primary function of the inventory would be to have buffering or having a decoupling. Now, what is buffer? Buffer from uncertainty in the marketplace. We have talked about it. Demand side पर जब आपके पास you have some uncertainty, and obviously जब आप demand patterns को predict कर सकते हैं तो you will never plan shortages. आप shortages को plan नहीं करते. Such kind of manufacturers, such kind of retailers, they actually prefer to have some overstock. When you say overstock, you cannot match your supply with demand 100%. आप 100% match नहीं करवा सकते, and obviously the mismatch of demand and supply would be known as inventory. आप उसको inventory का नाम देंगे. तो that stock, you would actually prefer to have some extra stock with you rather than having no stock with you when customers are arriving to you for that kind of a product. और उस product के लिए we have determined the characteristics of such kind of products. ये inventory models which we are discussing are actually for those items for which you can actually achieve economies of scale. जब आप उनको इतना produce कर सकते हैं, इतना order कर सकते हैं कि आपकी cost, total cost for that inventory would be at the minimum. एक खास level है उसके लिए. तो you can achieve economies of scale. So when you say you can achieve economies of scale, then you are actually producing it such that you can carry forward some extra stock with you. आप अपने साथ उसको carry forward कर सकते हैं next season में. तो वहाँ पर you have actually a safety stock. आप safety stock रखेंगे. Now that safety stock can be further subdivided into a buffer or a decoupled inventory. When you say buffer, buffer means that whenever you have uncertainty in the market side में जो आपके पास uncertainty है, let's say for example plus minus 10%. So every time I am ordering 10% more, that is a buffer. That is actually to cater the market uncertainty. मार्केट में जो अनसर्टन फीचर हो सकता है मेरे फोरकास्ट से जो ज़्यादा हो सकता है, कम भी हो सकता है, बट आई विल नॉट प्लान इट. आई विल ओनली प्लान इफ द डिमांड इज हायर. तो इफ द डिमांड इज हायर आई नीड मोर स्टॉक, तो वो स्टॉक आई विल कॉल इट अ बफर. द सेकेंड वन इज द डीकपल इन्वेंट्री और डीकपल डिपेंडेंसीज इन द सप्लाई चेन. वहां पर भी आपको सेफ्टी स्टॉक की जरूरत है. दैट इज फ्रॉम द सप्लाई चेन साइड. दैट मीन्स लेट्स से कि मेरा सप्लायर मुझे डिफॉल्ट करता है ऑन दी एवरेज 3 डेज का. तो व्हाट वुड आई डू? मैं जो इन्वेंट्री उससे ऑर्डर करूंगा उसमें 3 डेज की इन्वेंट्री को ऐड कर दूंगा. तो 3 डेज फोरकास्ट वुड बी एडेड इनटू इट सो दैट व्हेन इट अराइव्स टू मी आई हैव एक्स्ट्रा इन्वेंट्री फॉर 3 डेज. व्हाट डज इट मीन? इट मीन्स नेक्स्ट टाइम जब वो 3 डेज का डिफॉल्ट करने लगा है तो मेरे पास एक्स्ट्रा 3 डेज की इन्वेंट्री मौजूद होगी. दैट इज फ्रॉम द सप्लाई चेन साइड. So we will be calling it the decoupling inventory. So we have divided the safety stock into buffer inventory and decoupling inventory. One is from the demand side, one is from the supply side. So 4 broad categories of inventories are there. I believe you all know that. Simple सी एक concept है which we will review here. Raw material, the unprocessed purchased input that is coming from your supplier. Work in process, WIP, partially processed material not yet ready for sales. ये अभी sales के लिए ready नहीं है. There is something needs to be done. और वो keep it in mind. It could be packaging as well. ये आपकी पैकेजिंग भी हो सकती है, इसमें लेबल्स वगैरह भी अटैचमेंट हो सकती है. इवन देन एक प्रोडक्ट जो आपको अपरेंटली complete नजर आ रही है, that may not be the complete one. That would still be some work in process, and there needs to be actually you need to perform some kind of manufacturing function on it. और वो manufacturing function के अलावा packaging भी हो सकती है. Then you have finished goods products ready for shipment. Now these are ready and it should be shipped. Now here the perspective is from the transportation side. कि how would you transport it? You would have the principles of transportation actually applicable for it. मैं उनको उसी तरह शिप नहीं कर सकता मुझे उसको कार्टन्स के अंदर या मास्टर कार्टन के ऊपर लेके जाना पड़ेगा. दैट इज एक्चुअली व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड और व्हाट इज द क्राइटेरिया फॉर योर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन. That would be the another story, but the product would be ready at that point of time. Then maintenance, repair and operating materials, MRO we call it, used in production. Now these are something which are actually allied to production. इनकी कोई direct linkage production के साथ नहीं हो सकता. These are not the raw material. These are like maintenance, repair and operating procedures that will actually help the production. That is also the part of inventory. Yes, that is not the main inventory or integral inventory for that organization, but that supporting inventory is also required for your production to work efficiently and effectively.